line-up sa tao lang. Pag tinignan mo sila, all-stars talaga eh. Tsaka ang tatangkad. Pero siguro hindi yun naging hindrance sa amin kasi ang volleyball naman hindi lang patangkaran eh. Utakan din yan tsaka pabilisan kung sino yung mas makakauna. Race to 25 yan. So kailangan, hindi lang sa score, kailangan sa kilos din.
And of course, it takes a libero to say something like that.
Especially about the height.
About the height, of course, and about the speed. Sandra De Los Santos misses what could have been a great down-the-line attack. So 16-13, that lead is down to 3. Jack Canela, of course, on your screens briefly earlier. Now we shift over to Michelle Carolino. Semana back set. Jen Manzano, top spin attack. No second ball. Nene was too far.
In your case, nobody called out a name either.
Right. Bunag was the nearest, but she was getting ready to attack. 17-13, Cagayan Valley. Jen Manzano. Salak back set. Uh-oh. No blockers. Easy pickings there for Nene Bautista.
Credit that point to Salak, who
Right.
received the blockers on the other side.
As in 0 blockers. Nene right now to serve. Jonella. Top one there. Free ball coming up from Semana. Salak!
On top of the world.
5'11" with long arms. She used to actually be a middle attacker, then converted to center.
And doing well
Yes,
in her current position.
And that actually changed her life. Many-time member of the national team. Just a 2-point lead now for the Rising Sun. Service by Bautista. Bad reception there, but put across by Semana. Here's Bunag. Oh! Joan Bunag. I'm really confused. She's listed as a middle attacker and she's...
But she has played the outside hitter
Right.
position in the past.
Here is Joy Benito, her first action in 2 matches. Did not see action against PLDT MyDSL, resting a few injuries, but now they need her.
Also Benito, of course, one of the top scorers of San Sebastian.
That's true. Oh, the hardest spikers you'll ever see. Oh, wow. Reception. That is the problem now for Cagayan Valley. Nes Pamilar already on his feet. Cannot believe what he's seeing. They have just squandered a 6-point lead. They were up 14-8 at one point. Here's Bautista. Cases. Semana has to attack. And Salak pushes it across, almost scoring. Joy Benito off the net, and that one is out.
Benito a little bit pulled off the bench.
Right. Now the lead belongs to the TMS Philippine Army. So for being 14-8 down, they're now 18-17 up. So that is a 10-3 run. Bautista, sharp serve. Manzano with a better reception. Joy Benito and a great block by Salak and Alarca. Timeout, Nes Pamilar. Both teams are now out of timeouts.
Lagyan nyo kasi yung sarili nyo sa loob ng court. Lipad ang isip natin sa totoo lang. Lipad. Sa atin ang momento, binibigyan natin sila ng chance. Tulong-tulong tayo. Magtulong-tulong nga. Sige, magtulong-tulong. Trabaho tayo, trabaho.
Well, trabaho is what got them that 6-point lead. Relax is what's killing them right now. Look at those. I don't think there's anybody defending the country today.
Everyone's here enjoying the game.
That's right. So if foreigners want to invade the Philippines, now is the time.
At least we know we'll be safe here.
Yeah. Serve goes long from Nene Bautista. 19-18 TMS Philippine Army. Now Sandra De Los Santos has to turn it up on her serve for the Rising Sun. Sandra has been quiet in this game. Sandra on the serve. Good one. Torres having a hard time. Here's Bunag. And Cases keeping it alive. Benito. To near. Semana challenging Joan Bunag. And there's a net violation against Wendy.
But then even so, how can you win against Joan Bunag if Semana was actually out of position?
Right. Semana trying to use her athleticism to save that one. 2-point lead now for the TMS Philippine Army as Alarca will put it in play. Alarca, Jonella, Semana, De Ramos, blocked again. Oh, another great defensive stop by Tina Salak, who seems to be doing everything right for the TMS Philippine Army after that second timeout that they called when they were down by 6.
I think the TMS Philippine Army just needs that wake-up call.
Right.
Every time they do that, every time a timeout is called, they get back stronger, more alert.
Tina Salak, of course, one of the vocal leaders of this squad, as Janela correctly guesses that Alarca's serve will go long. So it's still not over here for the Rising Suns. We got the serve of Joy Benito right now. Sasha Torres. Combination play. Joan Bunag off the block. Manzano. Semana. Cases! So the entry of Joy Benito has now given more room for Joy Cases to operate. And Benito right now, all business. Another good serve. Sasha Torres overcooks it. A gift now for the Rising Suns. Cases again. Bunag. Salak, quick set. Balse misses. Was there a check ball? No check ball coming. And look at the surprise look again on Tina Salak's face.
Everything. Don't push your luck.
Yeah. She's very close to getting a yellow card already. Tied at 21. Benito. Torres. Salak. Too near the net. Let's see what Bunag does with it. Oh! Great adjustment by Joan Bunag. And Jonella continues to mop the floor of the Moa Arena with her uniform. Back to a 1-point lead now for the TMS Philippine Army. Bunag. Going with no libero on this one. Cases off the block. Bautista. Salak. Carolino. Kept alive and it will not be alive as Carolina scores again. Both teams out of timeouts now.
Salak calling the shots. She has two strong attackers in front.
Yeah, she can include herself as well.
Of course, always that option to drop the ball as a frontliner.
Janela. Semana on the back set now. Lisa De Ramos trying to go cross court. Bautista is there. Tina Salak has taken the power pills.
Woke up at the right side of the bed.
Right. And now it is 3 set points for the TMS Philippine Army. Joan Bunag, the captain, trying to put it away. Semana across. Cases. And stops the bleeding again momentarily. The lone source of income right now. But Wendy Semana has been good on her serve today. Torres. Salak, quick set. Balse! And here is Cases, blocked there by Salak. They go to the open once again. Cases, blocked again by Salak. Salak attacks again! What a game for Tina Salak!
So into the game and in control.
25-22 once again like in the first set. And you can see the people who are supposed to be defending our country are all here today. As the TMS Philippine Army has now taken a 2-0 lead in this semi-final. And now Cagayan Valley is back. It's against the wall. Third set when we return.